PCBN is an ultra-hard tool material second only to diamond in hardness. It is sintered from CBN micropowder with metallic, ceramic binders. Under high temperature and high pressure, it typically has a hardness of HV 2000 to 5000 and maintains excellent cutting performance at high temperatures. It is often composited with cemented carbide to enhance strength, enabling high-efficiency machining such as turning instead of grinding. PCBN tools are high-speed cutting tools for metal machining, specially designed for precision machining of high-hardness materials, HRC 45 and above, with high wear resistance, such as hardened steel, cast iron, and high-temperature alloys. We have a complete range of PCBN tool models, each with unique applications and performance characteristics. Unique chip breaking design effectively solves the problem of chip entanglement. Different surface coating technologies improve the wear resistance and impact resistance. To improve production efficiency, contact us to select the correct PCBN tool model.